Crypto communities are online spaces where cryptocurrency enthusiasts gather to share information, discuss market trends, and learn from each other. These communities have become essential hubs for anyone interested in the crypto world, offering real-time insights, educational resources, and networking opportunities. Today, we'll explore the 3 most popular platforms where these communities thrive. The crypto community landscape is dominated by 3 major platforms: Reddit, Twitter, and Discord. Each platform serves a unique purpose and offers different ways to engage with the community. Reddit is known for its in-depth discussions and organized subreddits. Twitter provides real-time updates and direct access to industry leaders. Discord offers intimate community spaces with both voice and text chat capabilities. Understanding these platforms will help you navigate the crypto community effectively. Reddit is organized into topic-focused communities called subreddits, where users can create long-form posts and engage in threaded conversations. The platform uses a voting system where upvotes and downvotes determine which content becomes most visible. This democratic approach helps quality information rise to the top. Reddit communities are moderated by volunteers who ensure discussions remain constructive and on topic. This makes Reddit ideal for deeper dives into specific crypto topics and thoughtful analysis. Several subreddits have become essential destinations for crypto enthusiasts. The cryptocurrency subreddit is the largest general community for crypto news and discussions across all digital currencies. The Bitcoin subreddit focuses specifically on Bitcoin-related topics and developments. The Ethereum subreddit covers the Ethereum ecosystem, including smart contracts and decentralized applications. Crypto Markets is dedicated to trading strategies and market analysis. Each subreddit has its own culture and focus, so explore them to find the best fit for your interests. Twitter has become the go-to platform for real-time crypto information. News about market movements, project launches, and regulatory changes often breaks on Twitter first. The platform provides direct access to crypto influencers, project founders, and industry leaders who actively engage with their followers. Hashtags like crypto and Bitcoin help you track trending topics and join broader conversations. The fast-paced nature of Twitter makes it perfect for staying current with the rapidly changing crypto landscape. Following the right accounts can significantly enhance your Twitter experience. Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder of Ethereum, shares technical insights and thoughts on blockchain development. CZ Binance, the founder and CEO of Binance Exchange, provides updates on the broader crypto market. Andreas Antonopoulos is a renowned Bitcoin educator and author who breaks down complex concepts into understandable content. CoinDesk is a leading crypto news outlet that delivers comprehensive market coverage. These accounts offer valuable perspectives from different corners of the crypto world. Discord offers a more intimate community experience through servers organized into topic-based channels. The platform supports both voice and text chat, enabling real-time communication with other members. Many crypto projects maintain their own Discord servers, allowing direct engagement between teams and their communities. Discord also features private channels where members can access exclusive content and benefits. This makes Discord ideal for building deeper relationships within specific crypto communities and getting insider information about projects you support. Several Discord servers have become hubs for crypto discussion. The official Ethereum server brings together developers and enthusiasts interested in Ethereum development. NFT servers focus on non-fungible token projects and marketplace discussions, perfect for collectors and creators. DeFi servers cover decentralized finance protocols, lending platforms, and yield farming strategies. Crypto trading servers provide spaces for discussing trading strategies and conducting market analysis with fellow traders. Join servers aligned with your specific interests to maximize your learning and networking. Participating in crypto communities requires caution and critical thinking. Always verify information before acting on advice, as misinformation spreads quickly in these spaces. Never share your private keys, passwords, or sensitive personal information, regardless of who asks. Be vigilant against scams, phishing attempts, and fake accounts impersonating legitimate figures. Focus on following credible sources and well-established communities with strong moderation. Remember that no legitimate project or person will ever ask for your private keys or promise guaranteed returns. Crypto communities offer invaluable resources for learning, networking, and staying informed about this rapidly evolving industry. By engaging with communities on Reddit, Twitter, and Discord, you'll gain multiple perspectives and access to real-time information. Start by lurking and observing conversations to understand each community's culture. Then gradually participate by asking questions and sharing your insights. The connections you make and knowledge you gain from these communities will be essential to your crypto journey. Now it's time to join the conversation and become part of the global crypto community.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.